Good evening, guys. It's 7 p.m. Today is May 3rd, 2023. Today is Wednesday. Today we had a FOMC meeting and the chair conference. So Powell was talking, which was a garbage. I know, So doesn't matter whatever he talks, Price action is the king. So you follow the price, and it does not matter whatever he says. He basically repeats the same damn thing. If you go back and review all his past speeches from last, let's say, 3 years or 2 years, right, you will see a pattern that certain words are exactly the same. So it's a written script. He just changes a little bit here and there. Sometimes it's exactly same, So, but anyway, regardless of Powell, so going into the day, so let's talk about pre-market notes right here. So I will skip the morning trading today, so there is a specific reason, I gave it in Discord, that why, but hold on, let me see if I can find it. So I'm going to share this with you. Usually I don't share all the stuff, right? But so this is what I explained in Discord today in the morning. That price was this was yesterday's move right here, right? And then yesterday's closing was right here in this area, and then so price closed here yesterday, right? So now it is between these two boxes, so resistance box, support box, okay, and it closed right here. So today it opened right here, right? So I have no clue where it will go right of the open. It can go either way. It can go from here to here or here to here, and that is essentially it did both ways actually. If you look at it, see, it went from here to here, right? And then at the end it went from here to here, right? And that is why I didn't want to trade in the morning, unless, because I know before FOMC it's not gonna go anywhere outside this range. During FOMC it will move either outside this range or inside this range, like this, from top to bottom. See that? So that is why I didn't want to trade in the morning. But I said I will not trade today in the morning, but I will watch price and I will see what it is doing from which level, and that will give me a clue during FOMC, and then I will wait in during FOMC to see if price goes to certain levels, gets rejection or something, or goes through it, Now this is a 6 p.m. open. That is what the target was. I said one of the gap fills. See, this is a gap, this is a gap. So today one of the gap will get filled. Which one? I don't know. Going into the day, I have no clue. But after this, I knew that this gap, they will fill it. And at 6 p.m. open, they fill this gap. That's it. The target is achieved for these sellers. Now it will be a new story. From here, it can go to here and come down tomorrow. So I'm just giving you the heads up. Tomorrow, Apple's earning is there. Friday is a non-farm payroll, right? So market can still go up or go down. Either way, technically still in the range, right? But tomorrow, this is important level, this area, So 15 to 05 is important. If today's sellers are strong, they will not let go price above this area, and they will keep it below. If price goes above it, then you are screwed, for day trading, because then it's a non-farm payroll game, an Apple earning game, It can go either way, here or here, we have no clue, okay? So I'm giving you all the heads up ahead of the time. Now let's talk about here. So that's why I was not planning to trade today morning. However, I will observe the price action before that. Ideally, you want to trade outside garbage area, right? So that was the garbage area, whatever I just highlighted a few minutes ago, which is that box between two boxes. But then I said this 43.47, 76.84, 4,081, which is technically 6 p.m. open today, this area, and 41.06 are the only levels to pay attention during intraday within this garbage, okay? and what happens from there, and then trade it. Okay, I have no clue about NQ's movement, so focus on levels, color lines in the chart for NQ and read it along with ES. You have to combine NQ and ES and follow NQ's color line. About this, it will go here, and then 275. See, here is the kicker. 275 to 300 is the sellers area from yesterday and above. So from yesterday and above, so buyers are beginning. So this is the sellers area from yesterday, and above buyers are beginning. So if it goes above this, buyers are beginning. Below this, sellers have a control. Okay, so NQ is straightforward, right? One level to watch. ES, couple of levels to watch, right? So let's see, 43, 47, right? So this is the area, and you can see it here. This was listed as aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers. I listed as a both area, this area, because I have no clue, right? Buyers can step in right from here of the open and it can go higher, or sellers can step in. Okay, but this is the important area to observe, then make a trade decision, right? So now, before that also in Discord I said price is doing fail breakout, fail breakdown. Since because of FOMC, it is a standard behavior to do fail breakout and fail breakdown. That's the only way people smart folks can get more reward compared to risk. So more risk, more reward, less risk scenario is fail breakout, fail breakdown. So, and when the outcome is when outcome is uncertain before FOMC, chances are they will do fail breakout, fail breakdown. That's where they will get more reward. So if you look at in the overnight, price was simply doing fail breakout, fail breakdown. You know, starting even 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock. You can see it here. See that balance, breakout, fail, breakdown, fail, up, right? Then again breakdown here, fail, again breakdown, fail. Here is a breakout, fail, right? Again breakout, fail, breakout, fail, breakdown, fail. See that? So that was the pattern. So now you know overnight they are doing this. So most likely in RTS they will do the same thing, you know. So, but anyway, since I was not trading in the morning, I was watching it. Then you can see even in 8:30 news, it went below this low, right? And then immediately pop back up. See that? And then went higher in the middle, came back down right here, 940 of the open. See that? See, that was the long of the open. You can take it there, you know. But anyway, you don't want to take it since it's a below aggressive sellers area. Price is ping ponging, right? So it's the middle of the range. But if you zoom in, right, you will clearly see a trade here. So the way it was a fail breakdown right here, okay, when price bounce up, correct? So now you are looking for ideal location based on this price movement. If you know this is a fail breakdown, most likely price will go here. But since it come back from here, right, there it came down, correct? It pulled back to the same area. See, this is the low that it broke down. This low and this low, right? And then went back up, came back down. See this area? It touched here, and then here it poked below it and up. See, this is where you go long, right of the open. Target this and you are done. Okay, so that was your first trade if you want to trade it. I didn't trade it, I was just watching it, you know. So then it went higher, right? See, at this time when it price went above this area, this, right, it looks like it wants to go to moon right here. That is what you are going to see in real time, right? You're not going to see the other information because it's not there. So pretend this is a real time information, right? It was around 9:55, which is right here, correct? So now let's watch NQ. See, NQ also break out about this high, correct? Now this is happening in the environment where price is so far is been doing failed breakout, failed breakdown, right? So now let's draw this high, right? And now let's watch internals, right? So internals were higher up, correct? Right of the open they were higher. They were looks like going to the moon kind internals, right? Like here, look at AD plus 1000 something, right? Momentum was holding well and all this thing, like it's all like nothing happened so far, everything is good, price wants to go to moon, correct? Now, so at this point, you know, so far price action has been doing failed breakout. See here also there was a failed breakout here, see that? So far it's been doing failed breakout and failed breakdown, right? So now the chances are it may do failed breakout here, right here, and come back down, or it may continue to go higher, right? We don't know, but at least there is a chance it may do failed breakout. So going long here with this breakout is a poor idea, especially on FOMC day. It's a mistake. So if you did that mistake, you are screwed. You should understand all this thing, right? So now let's see, it can do a failed breakout. That's the only thing we are interested in, right? Because that's a more reward, because then it can go down all the way up to here, or at least in the middle. There is a chance, right? And it's a good risk reward. Going long here at this point, see this candle, it closed right here, 49, right? So somebody will think, hey, it's a breakout of this balance and pull back. Can I go long? Yes, you can go long here, sure. But look how price came there. You are going long at 49, but price already moved from 40 to 50. When day is choppy like this, and it's already moved entire range in like one go, you are paying premium here, even though if you want to go long. And today is not the day where you want to do like breakout and pull back, you know. So this is a bad idea. So now you wait and see if it gives you a failed breakout. See, that's the sign. Now whoever went long here, see, remember we just talked about long here, right? Whoever wants to go long, right? But it's a poor idea. But not all the people are same. All people are same, right? There are a couple of day traders, many day traders in the world, that they will go long here, right? So their stop would be where? Where is their stop? Do you see any place to put your stop here? No, your stop has to be here then, because there is no candle to put a stop there. Maybe this candle which broke out, you can put your stop here, right? So let's pretend that this is a stop, right, for these guys. And then what happened? Here, stop run, right here, again stop run, right? And then what happened? When price was doing this, right, people thought maybe it's a fails, it's a stop run, man, and it bounced and closed higher, let me go long again here. I got topped out, fine, let me go long again here. So they went long again here. Okay, but now you are forgetting one thing. You have to think two ways. Since you are looking for failed breakout, you have to see who is getting trapped here. So buyers who went long here, they are getting trapped now, right? So if price stays below this line, this could be a good short, okay, based on the failed breakout scenario, because this stop runs have already happened, right? If you look at NQ, same thing, see? So now you are waiting for a pullback into this area to short actually, you know. See this, right? Then what happened? Price came down, correct? Now you can short here also, and if you want to wait for confirmation, if you get lucky, price may come back there, otherwise you will miss it, okay? So here you got lucky. So here let's say you missed it, right? It's too aggressive, you don't want to do it, fine. See this bar, this candle, 5-minute time frame we are talking about. This is the candle which told you now all these guys are trapped. So the moment it pulled back to this 47, 43 area, which is our important area, right? You short right there. NQ, same damn thing here. See that? You short right there. And now you target this area again. And you bail out here. See that? Right here. And you are done. Now you wait for FOMC. You don't want to trade more. Okay? Yeah, if you get lucky and if you hold it tail stop it, then fine, maybe you can bail out here at Globex low, but that's it. Okay, then hands off. After that you got your one trade out of it, right? Now you know price is doing fail breakout, fail breakdown, right? Now we have to see price broke below this area, correct, this area. So, and if it is a, so now it broke down, it went to the Globex low, right? So here it can do fail breakdown also, right at the Globex low, right? So if it does fail breakdown here, you can go long here and you can bail out here, because this area technically can act as a resistance now, correct, because now price broke down below it. So if it is a real breakdown on the way up, price should act as a resistance and price should go down, right? So let's watch. See here, first time I touch, closed here, right? It even closed down here, but here whoever took the long, right, they took the profit here. See that here and here they took the profit. Okay, now watch. Since price went through these things, now you can assume this is a fail breakdown of this area. See, price this time did not like come down here and go up. It took a time to come here, then give you a fail breakdown of this and this area. Why? Because this area should act as a resistance, but now you can see it. Price did not go down, slice through it. So this area now is a fail breakdown area. You can even go long into this area. If price pulls back before going here again, if it pulls back, you can go long. Let's see if it happens. Right there. Now you can go long here. And then you can target this. See that? See how these guys are playing the game, right? It's simply watching the price, that's it. And they were just rotating, that's all. So, and then now price got here, right? So achieved, this fail breakdown target was this, achieved here. Now they are both parties are even. Okay, now going into FOMC, so far I was watching, right, that fail breakout, fail breakdown, all this thing. Now at this point I know, at this point I knew the range is this, FOMC range is this and this, right? So inside that price I don't want to do anything, I want to involve outside that price range, correct? So now let's watch. See here, right of the FOMC, price came down, up, it went up. But look at this 5-minute candle, close here, so no breakout, maybe fail breakout, who knows, right? But now it's not a time that you short it, right? At right here, assuming it's a fail breakout, because FOMC price can do in one candle up and down, and nothing is achieved. You have to wait for a right time, you know, to see in a price. So now here it came down, right, to this area again. See, I'm going to extend this area. Okay, so at least you know why buyers were defending this area, right? So then it came down here, bounced back up. So now you know buyers are here defending, correct? And also this fail breakdown buyers are also there. So now you have two sets of buyers, correct? And then shorts here. Now see here price did not get down, it came down from here. So now you know there are sellers here. And here is our resistance, right? And this is our preferred sellers area. Okay, so this is the sellers area, correct? And still in the garbage. Now you are watching it. Price went higher again, came down, again went higher here, and then came down here, and then again closed here. But look what happened. None of the 5-minute candle closed below this or above this area, or actually this area. See, one time exception is one time here, right? But it has a tail, so it's not a good 5-minute candle anyway, but it's a one time, but still below this low, right? So there is no proper breakout Here there is not a single close, right? So now you're watching it, you're not trading in this range, right? But at least now you know that this is the range, either this low, or this high area. You want to see a 5-minute candle now, you know, a good close on either side. That will be the direction then, probably, you know. So now you're watching it, this, you know, back and forth. Finally you can see this close, see that, around 1510. See that nice close here below this level. See how many times price defended this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it had a close. See, this is the time you are ready to get short. NQ 1510, right? See, NQ defended our dream number very nicely today. Like I literally typed in Discord that NQ is defending this 190 dream number, 191, like 1,000 times, pretty much. So I just used the word 1,000 times, but you can see literally since 9 o'clock, right? Even before that, since 4 a.m. this morning, bounced. See, this green line is a dream number. Dream numbers are damn thing powerful some days, you know, literally. See here, 1, after open you can see how many tests, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Even during FOMC, damn thing, look at this, 10 11 12 13 14 tests, man, literally crazy. But I was watching it because I wanted to see price going out of this range, right? So I was saying buyers are defending, you know, and then almost I was sure at this point. See, this last bounce I was almost sure, because Powell's speech is about to get over here, and I was almost sure that now it's going to like skyrocket high. But the problem is I cannot trade because price already moved from here to here, and I cannot go long here assuming that it will defend, because so many tests here and it's defending. It's so visible information. I cannot go long here, you know. I have to wait for a balance to break out. So then see, and then also actually this time I was, you know, thinking that it will skyrocket high, and when this thing happened I thought it will go through to 75 300. See, that was a seller's area, right? So it touched here and it closed, it like closed lower, another failed breakout attempt, right? See, that was the sign. I made a circle there, and then I was watching ES. See, look at ES touched 67, right, our level to the T, both at the same time, and then both came down and closed lower. See that here below this line. NQ also same thing. Since it's a 2-minute chart, you will see higher close, otherwise you will see a close below this line, you know, all these highs. That was the sign. Now price is ready to go down. All I need to see is breakdown, or it can do a failed breakout like this, come down a little bit here and then trap anybody and then go higher. Fine. If it breaks out, fine, I will go long. Otherwise I am looking for shorts now. So after this event, right, exactly at the same time in both areas, see, these are the red color lines, very powerful, right? So only on some days I make it red color. So that was the red color, powerful line. Price closed all the way down, came here, right, and then again damn thing bounce, right? So then now I was confused at that point in NQ, that what the hell these Thai guys are doing, you know. I said fine, now let's go higher then, you know, who cares, I will go long up. Then it went up here and then sliced through this. See, this time that was my candle I was looking for, which is this 1510, and you can see 1510 here also. See that none of the single close so far since FOMC started, right? Actually not even there, even since 11:40 AM there was not a single close below 191. This was the first time there was a close right here. This was the sign to short now. Powell's speech is over and failed here. This is the sign, again sign, close below this. Now I'm ready to short, right? All I need is I'm going to use this location, because 190 below here there are so many stops sitting here because buyers were defending this area, right? So there are so many stop runs stops right sitting below here, and the moment this price action happen, those stop run happen, those guys are out. So the moment, and look at this, see that? So anyone who is holding it here, their stop run, even though if they are putting their stop at below Globex low, they are also done here, and then price bounce because they bail out. That's why price bounce. The moment they bailed out, right, stop run happened, that's why it bounced. You use this area to short now because there is a lot of stuck guys here, whoever is holding it. So you short here, yes, you short into this area. See this area right there within Q, because this was the area original, they held it, right? And because of this candle, these guys are out, and this second candle, these guys are out. Now Powell speech is done. This area should act as a resistance. This is a final breakdown. Now there is no more failed breakdown. Now it's actual thing, right? Because people get frustrated in this range, right? So price has to move somewhere. So now this is the direction. You target here and you are done. Target here and you are done. See, easy peasy. Not easy peasy. It's hard to understand, but you have to just observe the price action, you know. And that be all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.